My name's Jared Bagnall. I'm parts manager of HTSL. We are a parts and service group that look after all trucks and trailers in the heavy industry between Te Awamu and Otahonga. We've been going for just over 20 years now. We're currently looking to go down to some wheeler line. We look always at value-add product for our customers so that we become a one-stop shop and make their life easier and keep their truck on the road, make it as long as possible. JOSAM was a name that came up right at the beginning, stood out to us as a value product that add to our business. Jackson at Levanta, great to deal with. Lots of information given to us throughout the process, and we're supported throughout that process to get the right system for our business, be able to help our customers as much as possible.
My name is Melvin Beale. I'm a senior tech at HTSL. I've been here just over a year. I've just been asked to do the mobile wheel alignment, and you guys have come and trained us up for the actual use of the equipment. It was quick to pick up. It wasn't difficult. There's nothing difficult. Steve explained it really well. Jackson explained it really well. Yeah, I would definitely recommend working for Levanta. Definitely.